Yes, I. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Star. You don't know. I'll tell you some story off our head today. You don't know now. With that, I do no maths. Sing ganja, baby. Much respect still, you don't know. Yeah. See, so, and I remember, in the mid-80s, boy, 85, 86, that one year, oh, Coca-Cola come to town. You know, see, cocaine. In the mid-80s, we did a star, right? You don't know, you know. I man used to hang out down at Norman Terrace, on the bottom, with a beef down there. A woman down there, my sister. You want to see? You don't know. But big man, Bridget, my sister, be my father used to take care of me still, straight up, 100. Without a doubt. No need for nothing. You don't see it. In general, the youth them on Norman Terrace, they're like Pluggy, Rugo, Andrew, them, you know, and the rest of the youth, them Pop and them one there. You know, see it? All that we used to do, they hang out as brethren and thing, mix and mingle, and you don't know the whole thing. See? But, just like how I have a big man link, I see him, so the youth them have a big man link too. See, but a big man I'm more a local Jamaican big man. See, him used to make them go, back in them days they used to have the Eagle hustling and go on. See, so him line up them with some Eagle pass and them thing, and them used to go like small island, go like them a buy goods to come back, you know, but the goods was a cover type of thing. You know, see, them used to bring back them little, them ounces of coke and them thing there. You know, see it? So, one day the big man called a couple of them start and send them go to Panama go pick up some stash. See, probably four or five of them can carry back a key or something like that. Wasn't a big scale, you know? I'm not too sure of the numbers like that, but it was on them level. You know, see. So, what happened now is that's the day when Noriega I get overthrown. See, the man them there at Panama, the man them like them reach a Panama the night before. See? And the next day now they link up with the man them will give them the coke and thing like that for carry come back to Jamaica. Them guard here go check the man them in the room with the man them and like the man them say, oh, you come for this pepper. Have a one key. See? Straight away them here up on the news. The US government running a Panama and a hunt for Noriega. See? So all of the man them around the table here, the news same time, all of the man them in the room. So the man them run out of the room and left the whole of the coke. The man them left a room full of coke in there with the terrace youth them, you know. See? But the news straight away say all foreign nationals to meet up at the airport. No, because them country fly them out back for free. See? So every foreign national affair hustle and make them way to the airport as speedy as possible because the country are going under lockdown. See, martial law. See? So, the Panamanian them run out of the room and left all of the terrorist man them in there with the coat them on the table and look on it like, you know, yes, of them for reach at the airport right, you know, and every man get ready for boat. That's one of the man them out of the crew. See it? One of the man them out of the crew, I think a Pop. See it? Pop dead, the same man who killed Kitty Bang. See it? Tell you about him a little more. Pop say, yo, I carry some of them here, you know. Nah, I left it, you know. See, Pop are the silentest one out of it, you know. I want to tell you, he was like one of the brains. Pluggy was a brain, so Pop was a brain. See? Man, them say, yo, because the man still have the money where the man give them for go up there, go buy and thing like that and everything. So the man, them run with everything. See? Man come to put it away here then. See the amount of coke the man them come in. The man them come through with coke all of them. Pocket. Pants pocket in front of them. So, man have 3, 4, 5 ounce of powder in them pants pocket. That's the amount of drugs the man them come through with and the man them they get no search. You know see it? So the man them reach a Jamaica now with with a reserve supply. You know see it? A reserve supply from Panama. Jamaica can't short. East Kingston can't short a coke. You know see it? Very soon, instead of man, them a ride up some decent bike and are just nice and them have a level here now. You know, see, terrace man goes a boop and blow up and them name the right across the globe. You know, see, yeah, the man they are ride and when the man them used to claim me, they proud of them no bum buckler. I'm still proud of them because them do enough man to do. You know, see, I said the man them walk through airport with half a Colombia in them pocket. You know, see, easy as that. Enough man don't know, because enough man never hear the details of how it happen. Yeah, man. See, man, them come down and set up themselves still, but the thing is, them start use, enough of the man, them start use the drugs. See, in particular, one of the brains out of the outfit, Pop, which was Andrew Hart, bigger, little brother, the one that follow Andrew Hart, look like Andrew Hart and everything, you know. See, the man, them used to use it on a scale because them don't know what them are do. Them do what them are see in a show. Because me, I remember one night, my dad sit down at the bottom of the terrace and see the man them a come down the road. Probably about 6 to 8 of them a come down the road and a bungalow come check with down at the bottom of the sun. Yo, what go, I can see the hype on them nice, see? Time that them well established and everything, see? Man, them walk come down the road star and Rugo. Rugo a youth of my respect, you know. See? Yeah, it's a youth where him have him own way, him stubborn and him own individual like that and thing. But them thing them my rate Rugo. You know, see, Rugo no really take talk. Rugo no really, who I'm friend, I'm friend. Yeah, the man a friend. Yeah, the man a friend. R.I.P. Rugo. You know, see, Rockford lose a general way would have make it in a life and probably would definitely benefit him circle. You know, see it. R.I.P. Rugo. Big up Huntley and the rest of the family. You know, see it. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man, the man them come down the road, man, and man say, yo, and start cheer up, like them a boy half ounce or a ounce in a plastic bag. A raw powder, you know. And just start cheer it up. Every man stretch out the man so and I take. See it? The man, believe you me, the man them pour out about John, the man them pour a decent lump in my hand in a star. See it? I'm there to sit down across the road and watch how the man them deal with it because I still don't know if to deal with it. If like one time I forgot some whoop and sniff off arm, I just sniff it little like I sip it. You know me I say, I don't know what to do with it. See, some sit down there and I watch the whole of them how them deal with it and things like that. And I still not work out how them deal with it because I be a year, me a year, and at night and them move busy because the money, another money, another money, another money, another money, another money. You know, see, that's because I look at them and say, yo, so what if I sniff the whole of this one time? It's the whole of the man them cross through by this, them done sniff off the whole of them one over there, you know. See, it wasn't a long process of time neither. See, I say something for the sniff the whole of this one time, yo, the whole of the man them look cross by me, same time, I say, yo, you still have that nyan and run come over there, like the whole of them, I think, the same thing, the whole of them run come over there and hold me hand. Like a beer head in a me and when look it done, man, them say, yo, I waste you, I make the thing waste, man, I make the thing evaporate out star, yo, I want to you. And some never really end up getting none of the court that night there. You know, see, cause the man them take for them one, and in them vibes, like you take two good draft or spliff off or a chalice and the way the wheels are nice, you want to roll another one straight away. Or something like that reach me, but instead of rolling another one, them just gonna say, yo, my hand did it. Well ready. Them just voom, and done it quick. See? I mean, an empty star. Seeing, but that was the beginning of the tragedy of the whole thing because the youth them did have them headspace and then have them thing together. Particularly Pluggy too. Pluggy is another youth where they well firm and balanced. You know, see, you can't you know, hear me not know what if chatting or see me not know what if rate, but to him profile and how him continue advance and develop and what him get from Panama. You see say that youth here I climb, I go climb and him have places to go. You know, see, Andrew Hart was the most tragic because I think Andrew Hart start turn the sniffing in a crack. See, Andrew Hart wasn't the most tragic. In Brother Pop was the most tragic. See, because what happened now is like, After a while now, because the youth them stay away where them used to link with schemers from a long time, and that came through Andrew to a degree. Father Stooge and the whole of the man them, and the man them used to link with schemers, have 100 schemers, and Jarrett Lane man them, Tarlis them used to sell coke too, and them like away there. You see, and if them used to supply them, or them show Tarlis them the rope so forget it in and thing like that, and you know, Jack Lane man, them I do for them whole and the thing round the boat. And schemers never used to do no whole heap of nothing. See? But through the connection there, probably the traveling and the big sales, schemers, Father Soldier used to involve in. See, but the tight connection used to do with them and, you know, terrorist man them come check one another and terrorist man go around and go check them and them hang out and thing like that. See? But during the whole process of time, Justice City man them now with lick down nigga Charlie. See, that's another tragic loss. We'll chat about that little more. See, man them lick down nigga Charlie, so that make them and scheme at odds. We and scheme at odds. See? Regardless, we have to take responsibility whether we involve or not. See? We are scheme at odds. So obviously now terrorists and we at odds too. So the laugh, the smile, the shining, the sharing, the dead. You know, see it? See it? So them start bust another link now with Gully man, Kitty Bam them. Because that's a McGregor Gully man them. Because what happen now is that's Pop and Andrew at them now go buy a house right behind a McGregor Gully there, so. Like the edge of Vineyard Town behind a McGregor Gully. Basically like the backyard in a McGregor Gully. See? And them well established across the world, everybody knows that them are going, them things on the rate, so obviously, and them not keep quiet, them loud and them, you know, see it, so obviously people don't know say this of them they quickly, particularly Kitty Bam right behind them, that's so, now Kitty Bam they are dabbling on the coke himself too, you know, see it, mean using it wise, you know, see it, seeing him become a consumer, see it, so, and them youth they know that they have it wagga, see it, so him start press them buttons certain way with the intimidation and certain start you know, forget fame supply straight. See? So the youth them never like that because right on them go basically, and to be fair, every man of them go amongst them bust them. Them teach them the trade and involve them and make them can eat food certain way. Regardless of how them want to eat it, if them want to sell it small, big, or go start travel and do them own thing. To be fair, seeing, like I say, I just Justice the man and them never used to have that connection there because Justice the man licked down nigga Charlie and nigga Charlie come from Scheme as a big top man from Scheme and terrorist man them loyal to schemers from school days, from rubber tire them pressure them days and them way back when. You know, see, fouling them and all of them, man, it was one connection as youth, I got school. Loyalty from when I do school days. Saying so the man, them never, them take what happened to nigga Charlie personal. See? So, every man with them never selfish with what them have. Me not tell you no lie. Every corner, them treat it, yeah. Me not tell you no lie, star. Terrorist man, them bust Rockford. You know, see it, I just the man, them, with them around the youth, them see the youth, them as some little surfers. Because them youth, they come from no corner, we have no big top name brand where I kill nobody or go and generate it. Them youth, they are more like some clean, middle class youth every day. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's like basically now. And all of the man them, what them are dealing with are some well established gangster, garrison type of man them. Seeing so that, apart from, no man never do that deal with them like say them an idiot. But yeah, obviously that's the light of them all see them on that. Kitty Bam now are the biggest idiot to see them that way. Because again, most people know, no disrespect, you know. An idiot think Kitty Bam go on with. I man respect him still and throughout him career and all them characteristics. But at this point, you keep up a bullshit. You know, see? And it cost him life. See? Because him start pressure and intimidate you with them and start what them have. Rather than him balance pan the skills, the tactics where them a teach him. Saying and go they got their own thing to and develop on that. I mean, you could have developed the thing proper and bigger. Because again, even though I'm not inspiring or conspiring any criminality, this is not the present we're talking about. We're talking about the past. I'm talking about things that could have happened if some man mind never lazy. Kitty Bam in particular. See, because him well more established than the youth them, him could act as a protective shield, shelf regarding the youth them right across Kingston when them go out and establish and expose and handle them business. See? And invest in it too and make himself a man. Rather than want to sit back and, you know what I say, benefit off of what the youth them a do. Whoever want to comment and say a lie, I tell them can go on because same at midday I watch the whole thing happen. You know see? Yeah. So Pop, in a film self, because Pop is a morally balanced youth. That's why him have my respect so much. He was one of the most morally balanced youth out of the whole of the youth in Terrace. See? And that make Pop go kill him. Because basically that Pop has set up himself. Look how I treat you, look how I deal with you and everything. I come like you just a bad rape all when nothing. You just feel like a bully. Why you just want to bully, but we have everything, we bring everything, come put on your door. And you just feel like say if you're a bully, you know, that's a film sense of insecurity. In Paranoia, he want to be in control of the source of him, thing, for him, habit. You know, see it? So, and again, cocaine, crack, make people paranoid. The people, the user them paranoid. I don't know why them enjoy that vibes, but them enjoy it. That's them want to go back and do it again. But them I tell them it's paranoid. I see people draw crack and jump like that and I say, snake, grab it. And I say, where the snake there? I just the carpet, go say, you know, the rug on the floor, go so and crimple it and it don't even look like a snake, you know, you can see a carpet, just a crimpled rug, you know. Yo, and I jump up on the chair and I go on the mouse, well paranoid. You know, see it? I say a puss run past me on a camera and a cracked seat and grab everything and run and go and say it's a sniffer dog. You know, see it? So it make them paranoid. See it? So him extra paranoid with what him say. The youth them a go on with this right time foot and him feel like say any day. Like again, diminish his own ability. See it? Feeling so well and him know him not bad enough, him not have the credit enough. So obviously another man so come right here so I make sure keep them disciplined and keep them in line with film thing. You know, see it? Yeah, Pop just push him gun in him waist, man, and go around one day. Nobody now expect it. Yo, Kitty walk go and pop off and wet up Kitty bang in the crowd and kill him. See, a madman kill back Pop before Pop walk in. A madman that always there have a cutlass or a big stone. I think him just take and lick down Pop. Because the thing is, that Pop's state of mind was not like Pop wasn't a stepper. Wasn't a stepper. Nowhere near nothing. See? So when Pop go around there now, Pop now focus on the militancy of the whole thing. You know what I say? Pop just go around there for Kitty Bam and deal with Kitty Bam and walk out back again. In a fit himself, he never have a clear state of mind either because him did I use. Seeing so it kind of did affect him ability to process things during that period there. Literally, him did have some psychosis going too. See, so I'm just go over there and full Kitty Bam a gunshot and I walk out back out a gully and a madman lick him down with a big stone and them chop him, stab him until him dead around there. You know see it? But again, a Kitty Bam responsible for the whole of that. You know see it? Because like me I tell you them never selfish. I've never seen anything like that. Even when the man them crash boat all boat and so them find coke and thing like that. In all of them man, they are selfish man with for them the link. You see the terrace youth them, it spread out them thing and everybody could have it eat. But again, because we're not a bad man, we're not a name for no badness right here. Yo, we want to have most of them attitude that them used to get from certain like a power player. You know see it, but you don't know. All credence to Jarrett Lane and schemers. Jarrett Lane and schemers always treat them with respect. No disrespect. No disrespect. Jarrett Lane and schemers always have them back, and I think till this day, it still flow over same way. You know what I say? But part of the story that still when, you know, you get a little period in our East Kingston thing again where, yeah, we can look back on it and say, well then it's a glorious period, we're not glorify it, but again the process is another remarkable experience so we have to remark about. Much love, much like. See? Share, like, and subscribe. Rastafari.